sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said that the person who marries for the sake of honor, the Lord Almighty will not give him anything but confusion. And the one who marries for the greed of wealth, then he will be poor and there will be none except a narrow hand. Fans of Islam today within India and especially in our society, dowry has become a peak which is proving to be more dangerous, and needs for not getting a score from his in-laws such and such. A husband burn his new bride and needs for not getting a score from his in-laws such and such. A person for not fulfilling the demand for more dowry, he killed his wife. It is a reported that such and such. It is a wonderful story, gentlemen. See the son-in-law asking for alms. I finish my speech. Thanks, Lord.